Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel today. Thank you for joining me. If you are here for the very first time, please do me a favor. I want you to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell to stay abreast of all the exclusives. Oh, I almost forget. If you want to get the Nurse Cleopatra's attention, what do? Ring that bell. All right, guys, so as you can see, all my veggies are cut up, diced up, whatever. This board here, I don't want y'all to laugh after my cutting board. You see how small this board and neat this little board is? This board was actually presented to me as a gift. I won it in class while I was in nursing school. Looney, if you're watching, I'm sure you remember me getting this gift in class. And one thing, if anybody doesn't know about me, when someone gives me a gift, I try to cherish it. All right, guys? So don't even laugh at it. It's my little cutting board I got from Mrs. Greer in nursing school, and I am using it actually. Yes, so that's my neat little cutting board, guys. All right, so as you can see, all the veggies are diced up, ready to go into the pot. Okay, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This time I'm doing another quick fix. I'm cooking some wild rice, and this time I have mixed the long grain wild rice garlic herb with the original one. As you can see here, I'm using the earthly grains long grain wild rice mix, and this is a garlic herb, and this one the same brand, but this one is the original rice. So what I did, I got me 4 boxes of these, and for each of these you need like 1 3/4 cups of water. Okay, and it's seasoned, comes in a sachet, and I just transfer it to the pot over here. Yeah, I really love long grain white rice. What happens when it's cooked, it's so shelly and moist, and it actually tastes like Jamaican rice and peas. So as you can see, it's already pre-seasoned. You know, hopefully it's not too salty, because as you know, too much salt is not good for you, especially if you have hypertension. And over here I have me some baked beans with Frank's, I think, with it, and it's a sweet baked bean, and I just added some bell peppers, onion, and cayenne pepper, a little tubes of black pepper, and some avocado oil. All right, so this is what is going on right now: wild rice with baked beans. I'll see you later with the finished product.
She got it from the start again. Watch her heart, it clean like a whistle. Devil over, come in with